Welcome to the World of Wonders for Kids. Hello, little learners. Today, we're going to explore some amazing words that all start with the letter B. Get ready to learn, laugh, and discover 25 fun words that begin with the letter B. Are you ready? Let's begin our B-word adventure. First, we have ball. A ball is round and fun to play with. You can bounce it, throw it, or kick it around. Next is bear. A bear is a big furry animal that lives in the forest. Some bears sleep all winter long in a cave. Then comes bird. Birds have wings and love to fly in the sky. They make pretty songs that we can hear in the morning. Let's look at book. A book is full of stories, pictures, and fun facts. You can read a book to learn or just for fun. Here's baby. A baby is a tiny person who needs lots of care and love. Babies like to giggle, sleep, and drink milk. Now we have bed. A bed is where we go to sleep at night. It's soft, cozy, and perfect for dreaming. Take a look at banana. A banana is a long yellow fruit that tastes sweet. It gives you lots of energy for playtime. Coming up is boat. A boat floats on water and can take you across lakes or oceans. Some boats are small and some are big. Say hello to bee. A bee is a small insect that buzzes and makes honey. It flies from flower to flower, collecting nectar. Now it's bag. A bag helps you carry your things, like toys or snacks. You can take it with you wherever you go. Next is box. A box is something you can put things inside. You can open and close it, and it comes in many sizes. Let's see bus. A bus is a big vehicle that carries people around the city. Many kids ride a school bus to get to class. Here's bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels and is fun to ride. You pedal with your feet and wear a helmet for safety. Now comes button. Buttons help close your shirt or pants. They come in many colors and shapes. Time for bubbles. Bubbles are round and float in the air. They pop when you touch them and are fun to chase. Next is blue. Blue is the color of the sky on a sunny day. It's also the color of oceans and blueberries. Let's talk about butterfly. A butterfly has beautiful wings and flies from flower to flower. It starts life as a tiny caterpillar. Look, it's bread. Bread is soft and yummy and used to make sandwiches. You can toast it or eat it plain. Now we have balloon. A balloon is full of air and floats up high. It's perfect for parties and fun to play with. Then comes bat. A bat is an animal that sleeps during the day and flies at night. It has wings and uses sound to see in the dark. Meet brother. A brother is a boy in your family. You can play games and have fun together. Here's blanket. A blanket keeps you warm when it's cold. You can wrap it around yourself like a hug. Now it's bell. A bell rings with a loud ding-dong sound. You might hear one at school or on a bike. Next up is basket. A basket is used to carry or hold things like toys, fruit, or picnic snacks. Some baskets have handles, so you can take them anywhere. And finally, we have bunny. A bunny is a small, fluffy animal with long ears. It hops around and loves to eat carrots. You did an amazing job learning bee words. Now let's play a fun little quiz to see what you remember. Are you ready? Let's go! For my first question, what yellow fruit starts with the letter B? You're right! A banana is a yellow fruit that starts with the letter B. For my next question, what can fly in the sky and sings that starts with B? Yes, a bird can fly in the sky and sing. It also starts with B. For my final question, what do we sleep on that starts with B? A bed. That's right. Beds are for rest and sweet dreams. It also starts with B. Great job, kids! You did an amazing job learning B words. Remember, kids, letter B brings us so many brilliant words. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep learning every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next learning adventure. Bye for now!